these are 10 things that I would advise you not to consider doing while growing out your hair. If you know you want to grow out your hair healthy, long, bouncy, don't do these 10 things I'm about to say, because it will do you a lot of good. First off, if you know, or if your hairdresser is advising you, or your hairstylist is advising you to, do tight hairstyles, run, because you end up losing your edges, you end up causing tension on your hair, you end up having headache, you end up causing yourself a lot of pain. So run far from tight hairstyles, because you could lose your edges, and edges are not so easy to grow back. Sometimes it takes longer time than usual. So if you don't want to have loss of edges or edge line, run from tight hairstyles. 2, try not to detangle dry hair. If your hair is dry, don't detangle it. Get a spray bottle with water, spray water on your hair, and apply leave-in conditioner. And you can go ahead to apply your hair butter or something for extra slip, and you detangle from the tip of your hair to the root of your hair. That would help you. But if you detangle dry hair, when your hair break massively, don't come and say we did not do anything for you. Dry hair and detangling, it's a no, right? Number 3, try as much as possible to run far from use of excessive heat. You see all those, your hot comb, your straightening tool, your this and that has heat, that needs heat to function. Run far from it. Even if you have to use it, let it be once in a blue moon, because heat damage is real, and you don't want to be suffering from heat damage. Sometimes you'll be forced to actually trim off the damaged part of your hair. So imagine you've struggled to grow your hair for like 5 years, and just because of a mistake of constantly using heat, you will just cut it all off and start again. That's a waste of time and energy, right? So run from it. Number 4, try as much as possible to take care of your scalp. Like, don't neglect your scalp. Don't neglect it. This is the primary source of hair growth. If it is not clean, if it is not well put together, if it is not free from debris and dirt, you will not see visible growth, because your scalp will be clogged, and you don't want that. Always wash your scalp regularly. Always clean your scalp regularly to prevent dandruff and a lot of hair issues or scalp issues, right? Then number 5, don't just be trimming your hair because they said you should trim your hair. Trim only when you have split ends. When you have split ends, that's when you trim your hair. Or when you feel like your length is uneven, just trim a bit to level it up. But other than that, if your hair is healthy and does not need a trim, don't trim it. Don't be scissor happy. Just trim. I know most of you are not professionals at trimming. You just carry your scissors from your room and just start cutting. No, don't do that. You will lose healthy length. And when your hair keeps looking like it is static or stagnant in growth, you start complaining. But meanwhile, you are the one cutting the growth that you are getting. Do you understand? Don't be so happy. Run far from it. Number 6, don't exclude DIYs in your routine. Don't. DIYs like your rosemary oil, your rosemary spray, your lavender this one, your hair butter, your aloe vera gel, your flaxseed gel. Don't exclude it from your routine. It will be a game changer. Just take it from me. Start using herbs in your routine. Come back to this video and tell me your results after a while. You see difference. As far as you use it right, and you use it as often as you should, you see a difference. You actually see a difference, alongside ensuring that you take care of yourself from within, ensure that you do low manipulative hairstyle, and you're good to go. Moving on. Number 7, don't compare your hair with someone else, your growth with someone else, your hair texture with someone else, your everything you do about your hair. Don't compare your process with someone else, because the process might be the same, but your growth might be different. So don't feel like you're not doing something right. Focus on your lane, because comparison is a thief of joy. If you keep comparing yourself to another creator or another person that has like your same hair type, but the person's hair is longer, you just be stealing your joy, and you don't want that, right? So don't compare yourself to anybody at all. I think we should be on number 8 or thereabouts, right? Try as much as possible to not skip balanced diet. Don't skip your balanced diet. Eat fruits, eat your proteins, because Protein is the primary component of our hair. It is called keratin. So you need a lot of protein to feed that your keratin in your hair so that you have healthy long strands, right? Number 9, don't use bad products. This is a no-brainer. Don't use bad products. Bad products will equate to bad hair. So don't use bad products. Look for products that are suitable for your hair type, your hair texture, your hair porosity, and stick with it. Any product that works for you, don't switch it. Keep using it. Not because you hear a creator say, oh, this product is this, you switch. This other person will come and tell you, oh no, use this one, you switch. The more you keep switching like that, your hair, tends to be swaying from side to side. There's no balance. So stick with what works for you and let it continue like that, right? And the last but not the least, I think we're in 10 now, right? Always massage your scalp. Don't skip massaging your scalp. Head massage, scalp massage, everything. Keep doing it. It will help you. It will stimulate blood flow, which will in turn promote hair growth, and also it will help your product to penetrate even faster than usual. So when you apply your hair growth oil or your hairspray and all of that, give yourself a very good scalp massage, right? Because once blood is circulating and the product is penetrating to your scalp, it is like a very good mix. It is a good mix and you'll see a difference. So I hope this will help you, and you will save this video, share it to your friends so that they know the 10 things that they need to stop doing, and also some things they need to incorporate in their routine. I'm your favorite hair coach. I'll see you in my next. Don't forget, I have an ebook, link in description. I'll see you in my next. Like, share, subscribe.